This is the Star News Brief. I'm Tony Ngala. Financial inclusion and support for micro, small and medium-sized enterprises is the second pillar of Kenya Kwanza administration's bottom-up economic transformation agenda. President William Ruto launched the Financial Inclusion Fund, popularly known as Hustler Fund, on November 30th, 2022. Currently, more than 28 million Kenyans, and on a daily basis, the fund serves 5,000 of them, borrowing about 50 million shillings. Hustler Fund CEO Henry Tanui told the Star. Since inception, Hustler Fund has disbursed more than 90 billion Kenya shillings to Kenyans. Out of the 28 million registered customers, 10 million repeat borrowers, Tanui said. Get a copy of the Star by subscribing to our e-paper with only 40 shillings at www.mgazeti.com. The battle of whoever will fly the opposition's presidential flag is emerging as the coalition's biggest test ahead of the next year's general election. A bitter row has already rocked the emerging alliance, threatening to break it even before it formalizes and settles on a candidate to face President William Ruto. The united opposition is made up of former Deputy President and the DCP leader Rigathi Gachagua, Jubilee Deputy Party leader Dr. Fred Matiang'i, Wiper leader Kalonzo Musyoka and DAP-K leader Eugene Wamalwa. Others are PLP leader Martha Karua, Democratic Party leader Justin Muturi, and Nairobi Senator Edwin Sifuna of the Linda Mwananchi movement. All are eyeing for the presidency. More than half of the inmates in Kiambu main prison have scabies, exposing what researchers describe as hidden public health crisis that has been festering in overcrowded prisons for years. A new study found that 54.8% of the male inmates were infected, making the first published research to measure hidden scabies in Kenyan prisons, as the World Health Organization classified the disease as a neglected tropical disease in 2017. Researchers say the findings should serve as a wake-up call for prison health services, warning that what is often dismissed as a simple skin condition reflects deeper systematic problem. Members of the County Assembly have launched a spirited bid to secure a pension package similar to that enjoyed by members of Parliament. This is after members of Parliament sided with the National Treasury and watered down key proposals, saying the demands were unsustainable. The County Assembly Forum, the coordinating body of 47 county assemblies, asked members of Parliament to provide law for the MCAs to contribute 12% of their salaries plus the allowances. Kenya is among countries expected to experience 5% of increase in malaria transmission as the climate reshapes the spread of the disease, according to a new international study. Scientists say the rising temperatures are changing rainfall patterns and creating conditions that allow mosquitoes and malaria parasite to thrive in cooler, high-altitude regions such as East African highlands, where populations have historically faced lower risk of infection and have limited immunity. Get a copy of the Star by subscribing to our e-paper with only 40 shillings at www.mgazeti.com.